On the Midjourney homepage, you can see images that other people have created. On the left-hand side, you'll have different categories to choose from: Explore, Create, Edit, Personalize, Organize, Chat, and Tasks. Next, let's head over to the Edit tab on the left-hand side. On the top left, you'll see a Retexture tab. Let's go into there. If you already have an image that you've tried to edit, you can click New up here, or you can do Edit from URL or Edit Uploaded Image. Let's do Edit Uploaded Image. This is an image that I created earlier using Midjourney. It's an architectural site plan that I told Midjourney to create in the style like it was hand-drawn. So what Retexture does is it retains the original image's shape and form, but you can add more stylized elements to it. For example, in the prompt, I'm going to type in watercolor site plan. On the right-hand side, you could see the 4 images that it's going to put out: 1, 2, 3, and 4. If you'd like to download these, you can go down to Download Image at the bottom right. Let's try something else with the original image. Let's try futuristic site plan with people walking around. Another really powerful thing that Midjourney's Retexture tool can do is it can turn a complete rudimentary sketch into a very nice architectural image with colors and atmosphere and everything of the like. Head over to Edit Uploaded Image, click your sketch or image of the sketch that you made, and open it. And now the sketch is uploaded into Midjourney. Head over to the Retexture tab, click it, and let's bring this sketch to life. Architectural rendering, photorealistic, hyper-realistic, high quality, bright sunny day, urban architecture, photograph, concrete walls with clear glazing, and soft wood materials to bring the building to life. Add a pop of yellow color and press enter. This was my original sketch, and these are the 4 images that it created using the Retexture tool. It brought the sketch to life. Sometimes Midjourney doesn't do the best job of adding people into your image, and then it's up to you to Photoshop them in yourself. A render without people is dull and lifeless. When you create them in Midjourney, you still have to remove the background yourself. This process works well, but it's tedious, and that is why I went ahead and created a massive pack of over 500 cutout people with transparent backgrounds. They are also in a PNG file format. Head over to the link in the description and use the promo code YouTube to save some money. This pack is also available and free to all Patreon members.
Like the video, please like the video, and subscribe down below if you want to see future content just like this. Check out those 2 videos over there. I think you'll really enjoy them. And if you want to support the channel further, check out the Patreon. You get a lot of great architecture related benefits, and your name gets featured in the videos.